How to use your trainer and designer. Now that you're a member, your possibilities are endless in art and design. This tutorial will explain all the fancy new features that you've added to your CorelDRAW with our systems. Starting with the CorelTRAINER. You may notice we've moved our award-winning educational plugin from Corel's menus at the top to a docker on the right. This facilitates many more education features for your business, as well as ensures that you are truly learning inside Corel. This docker can be opened or closed from the bottom of your window menu in Corel. Get comfortable stretching the docker's width for your best fit. Next to the back button, you'll find Home, which will take you to your login screen, or you can obviously choose Your Account from the menu option. Some call this drop-down a hamburger. The Launch button will launch any learning page you're looking at into your computer's default internet browser, ideal to see things larger or on a second screen. Your Account is where you can find your orders, add or remove a user, change your payment method, download your software including instructions, and the license key or serial numbers that you may need. You will also find the essential videos explaining how to install or use everything. Under the Three Lines menu, Hamburger, you'll find hundreds of learning tools, starting with a Search Library option. Single-word inquiries work best in the search. Learn by Process will direct you towards all category classes that relate to each different production process. A to Z Beginner is your 101 level courses, walking you through your initial CorelDRAW learning curve, while capital A to Z Intermediate 201 level will take you step by step through what's next to learn from my imprint business, including instruction from many industry leaders. You can jump to even more beginner, intermediate, or straight to all of our live recorded classes from all around North America since 2019. Tracing 1, 2, 3 are some classes specifically taught to make sure you're getting the most out of your Corel's bitmap to vector tracing tools. Tips and tricks are a few dozen audio files with text on screen of 60-second ideas or concepts that will really help you advance your learning, your business, and even your computer itself. Video shorts are the bulk of our classes, 4 minutes or less explaining a singular topic, menu, tool, docker, or function in Corel. These will be described in any search by just their name or topic, not a location like for a live class or a letter like for an A to Z course. There's a glossary page if you're the type that prefers to search even more specifically. The Ask Trainer button should automatically know your name and enter the email that you use for your membership with us. That's important. You can certainly enter a different email address that you'd like us to reply to. Describe your question and feel free to upload an example of what you're struggling with. We really are happy to help. There's a few things to keep in mind. 1. When choosing any class in Trainer, if it has an associated worksheet, which most do, it will automatically load the exact graphics, example, art, and verbiage for you to familiarize yourself with, right inside your CorelDRAW, the very best way to learn. Just know that this new page might take a moment to load, depending on your computer and internet. 2. All functions depend on your membership being active. 3. We may change the look of things a little bit to improve functionality or add new features for you. And 4, when needing help, you'll first want to use that search to find a short answer, as this will help walk you through your learning journey. That's it. You're finally going to learn CorelDRAW. See you in class.